Hi, my name is Gabriel and I'm a first year AMC student. The reason why I chose SLC is because I heard great things about the program. I heard people here are really just like a community that really draws me in. I would definitely recommend applying to SLC if you're looking for a place where you feel like improving on yourself every day, if you're looking for great professors and great classes to study in, a lot of great labs. Every program has their own drawing points. Just look what you're passionate about and you'll definitely find that here. So being an international student, the experience that I got here at SLC is quite amazing. I've tried education on my previous country, Brazil. The approach that they have here is so different, very valuable, and you kind of feel like every class is worth it. You're not just sitting there, you're really feeling like you're having the content absorbed into you with different methods, and the professors really show their passion for what they're teaching. Being international student has been such an experience here. I've got to meet people from all over the world. I got to experience a lot of different cultures and learn from the people themselves. That's like an experience that I don't think I would have just back home. And here I have it. I have a lot of Canadian friends. I have a lot of people that I've met all over the world, all the mixture of cultures. And I thought I wouldn't find Brazilian people here. I found a lot of them. I have a lot of Brazilian friends, even here in Canada, which is something that blew my mind, but it's so fun.